My lawnmower man bought in his Stihl blower, and he said the muffler just blew off it when he was using it. The unit's only 12 months old, and on inspection the muffler had just blown off, shearing the screws, the two screws that hold it to the engine block. So I thought I might have a go at fixing it, and started a dismantling process. These photos are showing parts of the dismantling that I recorded so that I could know how to put it back together again. The trigger mechanism for the throttle there needs to be disconnected before the carburetor can be removed, and there's a lot of dirt around the carburetor and the whole side of the engine, so it needed a bit of a degrease and a clean up. The cases were pretty filthy as well, and so a lot of that dirt had to get knocked off before I could get down to the bare machine. And I took some photos of each of the sides. Again, the ignition coil was in a position where I figured I could bolt a bracket to the block, using those two screw holes shown there, to bolt on a plate that then could be used as a handle to hold the unit in the milling machine. I just took a photo there showing the configuration of the... Now that's it in the mill. Held, the plate means that the flange that needs the screws removed from is fairly horizontal, and I used a 123 block sitting on that face so that I had a larger flat surface. That's a machinist level I've rigged up there, and it's showing fairly level. I improved that a little bit later on, and that particular, it was good in one direction and not great in the other. I tried a dial indicator but wasn't having a lot of success with that. You can see how it's sitting on those studs there. I changed that. Then I was able to improve the alignment, and those photos there in both directions. Now the screw used is a 5mm 1.25 thread pitch, and I figured I could bore that out with a 4mm end mill, and I needed to line that up. Now after boring down through the center of the screw hole, I was getting just the thread itself coming out on the end mill after I'd hollowed it out. Just the last part of the operation to get this effectively like a spring come out through the hole. That's a close-up of the threads in the holes. I believe the screws are actually a self-tapping screw, and that they're coarse pitch. I've found the part numbers of the parts, and found that local Stihl dealer had the parts in stock. Just all that was required was a couple of screws and a gasket, and then I started a clean up and reassembly of the unit. These parts were fairly dirty, which are just from normal use. A lawnmower guy probably puts a machine through the paces that would normally take 10 years in a domestic scene. But with it cleaned up, earlier photos showed where wires and things slotted into the plastic. The pieces, when cleaned up, you see this orange cover. I was able to improve the cleanliness of that a little bit, and put it back on, and it's back together.